The Bootstrap pager is a form of pagination. When applied to an unordered list, the pager class creates previous and next buttons as shown in this HTML page. We can see in the HTML code that it was created by starting with the open UL tag and applying a class attribute set to pager. Next, we create our two list items for the previous and next link. We can add a previous and next class to the list item to align each button at the sides of the parent element. So in this case, the parent is the container. Right now you'll notice that the buttons are center aligned, but if we wanted them aligned to the edges of the container, we can add the previous class and next class. So I'll just save that and refresh the page. And you can see there that the buttons are now at the edges.